Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Hey, family, I hope you guys are having a phenomenal start to your week. Of course, the Dow and the stock market isn't, right? We are having further downward movement as we predicted. We predicted based on technicals, based on trends, that we will continue having further downward movement. Also, we have all of the bad news out there with inflation, with interest rates. Housing prices are overpricing. We're going to have to do something to take a lot of that money out of circulation. And so that's a lot of negative sentiment in the market. Right? But even though we're having negative sentiment in the market, there are still opportunities for us to make money. Right? And so again, if you've been following the channel, I've been talking about plays that we can use, plays that we can jump in when the market is trending down. And so we have put options. We can place put options, pretty much betting that the downward movement of a stock will continue. Or we can jump into SH, right? So SH is the pro shares short of S&P 500, right? So as the S&P 500 is trending down, SH is trending up, right? Again, as the S&P 500 SPY is trending down, SH is trending up. All right, and so this is a great opportunity to jump in and buy some SH as the market trends down. Now, I predict that we will continue having downward pressure, downward movement for the remainder of the year. And I predict that SH will continue its upward trajectory for the remainder of the year. We have a lot of bad news, and it's going to be tough. It's going to be rough. We're going to have to take a lot of this money out of circulation, trillions of dollars of extra money. We're going to have to get that money out of circulation. So the way we do it is we're going to raise prices up. As you see, gas prices are through the roof. Interest rates are going up. Inflation is pretty much at an all-time high as far as I'm concerned is in our lifetime. All right. So, when we think about jumping into SH, right, which is a good long-term play, we want to jump in at the right time, right? And so today we had a huge gap up in SH. Now we must remember that 60 to 75% of all trading is done by computers. And so when we gap up like this, the algorithms, the computer is going to pick up this, and now they may sell, take their profits, and come back down, right? And so the black line I have here is the 20 SMA. The 20 SMA is what I consider the king of all indicators, because stocks never move too far away from that 20. We always snap back like a rubber band, right? So we gapped up really high, really well above that 20. And so if you have been jumping in SMH, man, you should be giving yourself a pat on the back right now, because you have made good little bit of profit. Now, do you want to jump in tomorrow? Absolutely not, because what's going to end up happening is we may fall back down a little bit and then continue our upward movement. But oftentimes people will jump in, they hear about a stock, they hear about a play, they see that it's up tremendously, and then they jump in only to see their account fall back down by 15-20%, and that's because they jumped in at the wrong time. So we want to let SH come back down a little bit, and then we're going to jump in and we're going to ride this thing to new highs. Okay, all right. And so listen, pro share short will continue trending up through the remainder of the year. See all this downward movement here? This is when the S&P was trending upward, right? And so we take a look at the weekly chart. All right, so we have all this trending upward, and SH is trending downward, right? But now, as SPY trends downward, SH is trending upward. So SH will always do the opposite of the SPY. And again, we expect more further downward movement throughout the remainder of the year. Now, let me emphasize this. Things could change at a moment's notice. The Fed can come out and say, hey, interest rates, we're putting too much of a burden on the people, and they could change. Voters, politicians could could somehow manipulate the market. Joe Biden can come in back and say, hey, we're going to release all of our oil reserves. We're going to bring prices back down to $2 a gallon. Anything can happen, especially when it comes to time to voting, right? So when these guys are getting close to voting, they'll do anything to get in the good graces of the people. All right, but as of right now, SH, man, put it on your watch list, right? Put it on your watch list. We want to jump in, maybe not today. We want to maybe come back down a little bit, but hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the information. Now, if you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and come on back for more wealth building information. Peace.